Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. Please open your book of inspiring science. Today we will start new lesson. We need air. Before starting reading of this lesson, I am going to start with an activity. This is an activity. Look at here. This is balloon. Take a balloon like this way. Blow your balloon and fill this balloon. What are you filling in this balloon? You are filling balloon with air. You are blowing balloon with air. We can say air takes up space. Air takes up space. Inside the balloon is air. This balloon is filled with air. We cannot see air. We can only feel it. We can only feel it when it moves. So look at this balloon. What is coming out from the balloon? From this balloon, what is coming out from this balloon? What is coming out? You can feel it. Air is coming out from this balloon. Like this way, students, look at here. There are two balloons are here. One balloon is filled with air and other balloon is punctured. Another balloon is punctured, and this is inflated balloon. This balloon is filled with air. We can say air has weight. We can say air has weight. Look at this balloon carefully. This balloon is inflated and this balloon is punctured. So we can say air has weight. Air has weight. This balloon is filled with air. Air has weight. Okay students, after doing this activity, come back to our lesson. We need air. Thank you so much.